Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to zoom in on Amazon products. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now you can explore through different products available on Amazon. You can select the product that you like. Once you tap on the product, it will open up the product page. After you are in the products page, you can see the pictures of the products. You can scroll through the pictures provided. If you want to zoom in the details of this product, all you need to do is tap on the screen with your two fingers and drag it to the opposite side. And that's how you can zoom in to see the details of the products. In order to zoom out, you can do the opposite and it'll be zoomed out. So that's it. That's how you can zoom in on Amazon products. In this way, you can see every details very clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.